At the F-Air Defense Expo held in Colombia on August 4, 2025, Shield AI, a prominent U.S. defense technology firm, showcased its cutting-edge VBAT-128 unmanned aerial vehicle, UAV. This event highlighted the drone's operational readiness and emphasized its potential to address complex security challenges across Latin America. The Colombian Navy is reportedly exploring acquisition options, focusing on the drone's autonomous features for enhanced maritime surveillance, jungle reconnaissance, and anti-drug trafficking missions. This debut signifies Shield AI's strategic expansion into Colombia and the wider Latin American defense arena, where there is growing demand for AI-powered unmanned systems to upgrade military capabilities. The VBAT-128 stands out as a versatile, vertical takeoff and landing, VTOL, UAV tailored for tactical ISR, intelligence, surveillance, reconnaissance, and electronic warfare applications. Its tail-sitter design allows it to launch and land vertically without relying on traditional infrastructure such as runways or launch catapults. This makes it especially suitable for deployment from the confined spaces of naval vessels, rugged jungle terrain, or other remote locations typical in Colombia's diverse operational theaters. Weighing roughly 125 pounds, 57 kilograms, at maximum takeoff, it balances endurance, sensor payloads, and portability effectively. Powered by a fuel-injected piston engine, the VBAT can sustain flights lasting up to 11 hours, though this varies based on payload and conditions. Its communication range exceeds 600 kilometers under line of sight, with optional satellite communication enabling extended beyond line of sight missions. The drone's modular payload base supports a range of sensors including high-definition EO/IR cameras, synthetic aperture radar, SAR, wide-area motion imaging, hyperspectral sensors, electronic intelligence, ELINT, equipment, and communication relay devices. Central to the VBAT's autonomy is Shield AI's proprietary HiveMind software. This advanced AI flight control system empowers the UAV to make real-time decisions, autonomously adapt flight paths, and coordinate with multiple drones during missions. Unlike traditional UAVs that require constant human control, the VBAT can operate in GPS-denied or electronically contested environments using onboard visual inertial navigation, adjusting mission parameters dynamically to battlefield changes. This autonomous capability is vital for operations in contested zones where electronic warfare or terrain may disrupt conventional control links. Shield AI representatives noted the VBAT-128's operational track record with U.S. Navy expeditionary units, Marine Corps reconnaissance teams, and Special Operations Command. In these deployments, the drone has supported ISR missions, precision targeting, communications bridging, and critical battlefield situational awareness. Its ground control station is ruggedized for quick setup and user-friendly operation by a two-person team, allowing full sensor control and live data exploitation. The system also includes fail-safe protocols to recover autonomously in case of signal loss or hardware failure. Colombia's Navy is currently assessing the VBAT-128 as part of broader defense modernization efforts focused on integrating Western technologies that enhance multi-domain intelligence gathering and reduce reliance on aging platforms. The Colombian Ministry of Defense's 2024 ISR Doctrine Update prioritized rapid intelligence processing, agile deployment, and operational autonomy in high-threat areas. The Navy's interests include expanding maritime ISR for anti-smuggling enforcement, monitoring exclusive economic zone (EEZ) infringements, and supporting amphibious operations along riverine and coastal zones. Should Colombia proceed with procurement, the VBAT-128 would mark a significant advancement in Latin American UAV capabilities. Its multi-role capacity, covering ISR, electronic warfare, signals intelligence, SIGINT, communications relay, and maritime interdiction, makes it a force multiplier across conventional and asymmetric warfare scenarios. The drone's VTOL design also offers opportunities for integration with uncrewed surface vessels and mobile command centers, potentially creating a comprehensive multi-domain sensor network. Colombia's pursuit of next-generation UAVs like the VBAT-128 reflects ongoing internal and regional security threats. Long-standing insurgencies, such as those involving the National Liberation Army, ELN, alongside entrenched narcotics trafficking operations, continue to challenge security across Colombia's vast and difficult terrain. Key smuggling routes span dense Amazon jungles, remote waterways, and largely unmonitored Pacific and Caribbean maritime zones. Traditional manned ISR aircraft face limitations due to high costs, operational risk, and environmental factors. Consequently, Colombia's defense strategy favors modular, AI-powered unmanned platforms that offer persistent surveillance, autonomous navigation, and long-duration missions with reduced personnel requirements. The VBAT-128 is positioned as a compelling solution to close intelligence gaps in hard-to-reach areas. Negotiations between Shield AI and Colombian defense procurement officials are reportedly progressing, with plans for evaluation trials and limited field deployments slated for late 2025. Testing scenarios may include launches from offshore patrol vessels, riverine patrol bases, and jungle outposts. Shield AI has expressed readiness to customize payload configurations and communication systems to meet Colombia's operational needs and regulatory standards. As Colombia shifts toward autonomous warfare technologies, adopting the VBAT-128 could represent a key milestone in regional UAV deployment and underscore the growing role of U.S.-developed AI defense systems in Latin America's military modernization efforts.